Hello students, myself as Sah PGT English. Today I have taken the topic invitations and replies. First of all, we should know that how many types of invitations are there. Two types of invitations are there. First one formal and second one informal. Now you see formal, that is also of two types, printed and non-printed. Printed, that we write in card format, and non-printed, that we write in letter format. Printed or card format we write for institutional or organizational events or functions. For family functions, its language is formal, and in this format, I mean in printed format or card format, we use third person. In non-printed or letter format, we just use this format to invite dignitaries or chief guests. Its language is also formal, but here we use first or second person. Now next one, informal. It is non-printed and we write in letter format. Its language is informal. Now thereafter you see examples I have taken. First example, that is formal invitation, and it is in card format. Mrs. and Mr. K.P. Gupta solicit your gracious presence on the auspicious occasion of the marriage of their son. Here you see Mrs. and Mr. K.P. Gupta. For there we have used here their, T-H-E-I-R. Here it is, we have here it is, I have written it in third person. Their son Amit with or weds Anita, daughter of Mrs. and Mr. C.K. Goyal of Jaipur, on, at, again at that is time, and another at that is venue. Then RSVP K.P. Gupta, C478 Chawla Colony, Ballabgarh, with best compliments from family and friends. This is the first example. Now you see the second example in card format. Mr. A.K. Ranjan requests your gracious presence on the auspicious occasion of ring ceremony of his sister Madhu with Raman, son of Mrs. and Mr. K.P. Bhalla of Salimar Bagh, New Delhi, on, at, again at, with best wishes family and friends. Here left side RSVP A.K. Ranjan, Mahavir Enclave, B232, New Delhi. Now next you see the principal, staff and students of ABC school, here we will write city name, request the pleasure of your benign presence on the auspicious occasion of their 11th annual day celebration on, at Mr. ABC CM Haryana has kindly consented to be the chief guest and will give away the prizes to all the meritorious students. RSVP Mr. XYZ, principal, phone number. Now thereafter, next example you see, it is also the example of card format. This is the fourth example I have cited here. Mr. Manoj Kumar solicits all family members' benign presence on the auspicious occasion of the 50th golden wedding anniversary of his grandparents Mr. Pramod Kumar and Miss Pramila on 1st May 2020 at 8:30 p.m. at 39 Udhampur Colony, Simla. RSVP with best wishes Manoj Kumar, mobile number such and such. Next one you see in letter format, formal invitation. Here you see sender's address, date, receiver's address, sir/ma'am, subject, invitation to preside over the function as a chief guest. Here you see we have used first person. We are feeling great pleasure to inform you that next month on such and such date we are going to celebrate annual day celebration in the school premises from 6 p.m. onward. You are cordially invited to preside over the function as a chief guest Your presence among the students will act as a source of motivation. A word of confirmation before such and such date shall be highly appreciated. Yours truly, name and designation. This is in letter format. Now you see the formal replies. So formal reply, here also we use third person. Now it is written in accepting. Accepting the invitation, you see. Mr. K.P. Srivastav has much pleasure in accepting the kind invitation of Mrs. and Mr. K.P. Gupta to the marriage of their son. Here you see THEIR, third person. Amit, on date and at time. This is what? Accepting. Now declining, you see, or what you call refusal. Mr. K.P. Srivastav sincerely thanks Mrs. and Mr. K.P. Gupta for their kind invitation to the marriage of their son Amit on such and such date at PM, but regrets his inability to attend the function due to prior engagement. He wishes Amit a happy married life. Here you see, first of all, even if you have problem or you cannot attend what you call that function, but beforehand you have to thank them, and then at last you have to wish also to that boy or girl who is going to be what you call married or on that day. Now next one, formal reply, note format. It's very simple. It is also written in third person. Accepting the invitation, or what you call acceptance. You see, date. Mr. K.P. Srivastav thanks Mrs. and Mr. K.P. Gupta for their kind invitation to their son Amit's marriage to be held on such and such date at PM. He feels honored to accept the invitation. Very simple it is. Now declining the invitation, refusal. Date we write first of all. Then Mr. K.P. Srivastav thanks Mrs. and Mr. K.P. Gupta for their kind invitation to their son Amit's marriage to be held on such and such date at such PM, but regrets his inability to attend the function due to prior engagement. He wishes Amit a happy married life. Now next one, formal reply in letter format. Accepting the invitation. Sender's address, date, receiver's address, sir/ma'am, subject, acceptance of invitation. Mr. K.P. Srivastav thanks Mrs. and Mr. K.P. Gupta for their kind invitation to attend the marriage ceremony of their son Amit to be held on such and such date at such PM. He feels honored to accept it and will be there on time. Yours sincerely, K.P. Srivastav. Very simple it is. Now declining the invitation. Sender's address, date, receiver's address, sir/ma'am, subject, inability to attend the function. Mr. K.P. Srivastav thanks Mrs. and Mr. K.P. Gupta for their kind invitation to attend the marriage ceremony of their son Amit to be held on such and such date at such PM. However, he feels regret to inform his inability to attend the function because of some prior engagement. He wishes Amit a very happy married life. Yours sincerely, K.P. Srivastav. Now informal invitation, you see. It's very simple. Format we have opted here, informal letter. Sender's address, date, dear Aman. It gives me immense pleasure to invite you to the wedding ceremony of my son Aman to be held on such and such date at such PM. I am sure you will attend the ceremony with your family. Give your presents 2 days ago before the scheduled date, as lots of work are to be done. You will manage the function. Your suggestion always matters a lot. Do come along with your family. Yours sincerely, Manoj. Accepting the invitation, you say. Sender's address, it is also informal. Date, dear Manoj. Yesterday I received your invitation to Aman's wedding to be held on such and such date at such PM. This is such an auspicious occasion as well as a long awaited moment. How can I miss such an occasion? I will definitely join you to make arrangements and to bless him. I'll be there a week ahead with your family. Yours, Aman. Now declining the invitation, you say. Sender's address, date, dear Manoj. Yesterday I received your invitation to Amit's wedding to be held on such and such date. This is such an occasion as well as a long awaited moment. I would love to join you on this occasion, but my father is in hospital. He had a heart attack last week and needs my constant care. It's difficult for me to attend the function. Convey my blessings to the couple. Yours, Aman. And all invitations and replies need to be put in a box. Students, I hope that you must have liked this video. Please subscribe it. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.